Dangerous creatures have been spotted lurking in people's corners in their own homes. Follow the following steps to ensure your safety in your own home. Creatures known as the corner lurkers mainly invade the home at night. Their main habitat is in the United States, but also some spread to Canada and Mexico. This video is not meant to induce fear, but only to raise awareness on how to avoid getting caught by the corner lurkers. 1. Lock all doors and windows, and prepare a safe room with no corners. Essentials for the safe room: food and water for at least a few weeks to months, until the United States government gets the situation under control. Firearms, knives and other weapons in case of an invasion. Radio powered by batteries. 2. Avoid making any noise, and absolutely do not look at any corners of a room. They are watching. Keep your eyes shut or look down at the floor when entering a room with corners. If you do not have a room without corners, the government is preparing circular shelters with food and supplies. 3. Do not go outside at night, they are searching for you. Appearance: the corner lurkers all share the same identical look. 7-foot-tall dark-skinned humanoid-like creatures, with their arms almost reaching the ground, while standing up. Bright white eyes, with no pupils. The only sound they make is a growling sound, different from any animal. If you see a corner lurker outside your house, contact the authorities immediately. Do not attempt to call out, scare, harm any of the corner lurkers outside your house. They are stronger. The corner lurkers have been claiming more and more victims since the first sightings of them. Follow the necessary steps in the part 2 of how to survive the corner lurkers. To get updated. people are not following the necessary precautions against the corner lurkers. Since the first sightings of the corner lurkers last week, 10,000 more people have been attacked and killed.
Do not stare at your knee.
If you begin hearing low growling noises, distinctive from any animal coming from inside your own home, go into the safe room immediately. The corner lurkers are beginning to mutate. Scientists do not know how and why, but if they start growling, it means that, if you're inside of a room with corners, no matter if you look at them or not, they will attack. If the corner lurkers begin banging on the entrance door, screaming, kicking, contact the authorities immediately. Do not open the door, even if it sounds like a loved one. They can pretend to be humans. If you do make eye contact with a corner lurker, follow the following steps. 1. Look away immediately, do not try to run away. 2. Back away slowly, while looking at the ground. 3. Reach your safe room as soon as possible. If you've stared at it for longer than 5 seconds, there is no hope. More than 1 million corner lurkers have been spotted around the world. This is not a drill. Hide in your safe places, do not go outside until said otherwise. Do not open the door to anyone, unless it's a verified person.